the Grammy winner, everybody was all over me. Everybody wanted to do a song with me, wanna be around me, wanna be with me. But now, I don't know, something changed, you know what I'm saying? But me used to wind up, every man would have show up. Now me say, who will be ghost? Me not see money pull up, power to some of them. They think them can't shut me up, me do a 90 for them. Tell Satan back up. Wow, yeah.
If I was famous,
Yeah.
if I was famous, if I was famous, you would love me. If I was famous, yeah. If I was famous, you'd be all over me. Yeah. If I was famous, you would be spending your money on me. Yeah. Cause when I was famous, you used to gift me with jewelry. But now I ain't famous, you no longer want a part of me.
Yeah, you used to buy me them Gucci dresses and them Louis Vuittons. You used to fly me to Paris, LA and Milan. Nothing was too good for me. You gave me everything I like. Now I can't get $1 out of you since I chose Jesus Christ. When I was famous, there was no price you wouldn't pay just to see me, whether it was night or day. You would fly down to Jamaica, meet me in Montego Bay. When I said meet me for prayer meeting, you said,
Yo, know what up, Ray?
If I was famous, if I was famous, yeah. If I was famous, you would love me. If I was famous, yeah. If I was famous, you'd be all over me. Yeah. If I was famous, you would be spending your money on me. Yeah. Cause when I was famous, you used to gift me with jewelry. But now I ain't famous, you no longer want a part of me.
When I was a lady song, you gave me many likes. Used to be all up in my shows just to be in my light. Now you get so angry at me when I talk about Jesus Christ, but He is my salvation, yes, He is my life. When I was famous, you used to run me down. From Cheerios back to Kingston. No, you no follow me no more, cause me speaking at tongues. I got the Holy Ghost. Come me give you some, let me lay my hands on you. Show you what the power of God can do. Many are called but chosen are few. A master God want a touch off of you.
If I was famous,
Yeah.
if I was famous,
Yeah.
if I was famous, you would love me. If I was famous, yeah. If I was famous, you'd be all over me.
Yeah.
If I was famous, you would be spending your money on me.
Yeah.
Cause when I was famous, you used to gift me with jewelry. But now I ain't famous, you no longer want a part of me.
Yeah, this is the time that you should want to be my company, because I'm anointed, I'm appointed, I'm called by the Holy Ghost. Let me tell you something. He has called me for such a time as this to remind you about Isaiah 1 verse 18. He said, come and let us reason together. He said, though your sins be as scarlet, they shall be white as snow. He said, though they be red like crimson, they shall be as white as wool. So you blasphemers who have been blaspheming against the Holy Spirit, that sin can't be forgiven. If I was famous, you would have loved me. You would have loved me.
If I was famous, I